Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 8th, 2019. Here are some upcoming events. Middle school basketball tryouts are ongoing. Monday, November 11th is no school for students in honor of Veterans Day, although teachers do have a teacher workday. November 23rd through December 1st is Thanksgiving break. Last week, the elementary Sharks of the Month celebrated popcorn with the principal. Here are some pictures of the event. Yearbooks are on sale now, $30 for pre-order, and they'll be $40 once they come in. Orders can be placed online or ask for an order form in either school office. Last week we had our first annual secondary school science fair. Here are some pictures of the event. Parents of juniors and seniors came to FSA night to learn all about financial aid for college. On Halloween, we had a spooky snorkeling adventure. Here are some pictures. Please make sure you have submitted your free and reduced lunch form. Parents must reapply every year in order to be eligible. Please apply even if you think your family is not eligible. PBMA receives funding based on these forms for classroom materials and additional staff. Forms can be found on our website under the Parents tab, then go to Forms and Links, and then to Food Service Links. Please email me at scooper@pbmalantana.org if you would like me to send home a paper form. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.